Good morning, students. Welcome back to Grammar Learning. Today, I will teach you question tag. Students, this chapter is not given in your textbook. This is the chapter which I included in your syllabus, which is very important chapter, but it is not there in textbook. So be careful and be attentive during the explanation. Question tag. What is the meaning of tag? Do you know the meaning of tag? Price tag means the short piece of paper which shows the details regarding the price. And here question tag is a short question at the end of statement for confirmation. Have you observed people saying आज बहुत गर्मी है ना? तो है ना, what is है ना? That is question tag. We use it in Hindi. Okay, so question tags are short questions at the end of statements for confirmation. Then question tags are always interrogative. It means question mark will be put at the end of question tags. Before question tag, comma is put. You have to put comma before question tag. And if the statement is negative, you will make the question tag positive, and if the statement is positive, you will make it negative. Clear? See the example. It is very short chapter. First example is I don't need to finish the work. I don't need to finish the work. This is the statement, and you have to add a question tag after the statement, after work. So this is question tag QT. Okay, I don't need to finish the work. Here the statement is given negative because not is used here. Not is used here, anti, not is used here. So we will make it positive. Question tag we will make positive. So what we will use? Do I? I don't need to finish the work. Do I? What you will do? You will remember whatever the verbs are given, auxiliaries, you will use the same auxiliary or helping verb इन योर क्वेश्चन टैग. जो भी ऑक्सिलरी और हेल्पिंग वर्ब दिए हैं वही आप यूज़ करोगे, बट वन चेंज विल बी देयर. इफ़ द helping verb is given positive, you will make it negative in question tag, and if it is negative, you will make it positive in question tag. Clear? So first of all, identify whether the helping verb is given or not. Here don't is given, could is given. Okay, then have is given, haven't is given. Okay, is given. Then yes, these are the auxiliary verbs. So it will be easy for you to change the auxiliary verbs into positive or negative. Directly you will use I don't. Don't is given, you will write do. Positive form of don't is do. Could is given, you will write negative form of could is couldn't. And second thing, you will write the short form of could not. Okay, don't write could not they, because as I told you, it is asked for confirmation. जो सुनने वाला है, जो लिसनर है, उससे confirmation चाहिए, तब हम लोग ये बोलते हैं. Okay, so it will be in short form, couldn't. Clear? Then is never. Never is considered as negative. वो कभी भी टाइम पर नहीं आती है. Okay, never is considered as negative, so here we will use positive. Clear? You have to read the sentence properly, then write the answer. She is never on time. It means this one is negative, and we have to make it positive. Is they? Is she? Sorry. Is she? She is never on time. And what is the question tag for that? Is she? Then Jenny eats cheese. Here you have to be careful in such sentences when the sentence consists tense. Here we do not find any auxiliary verb. Then what to do? What to do? Here you will identify the tense. Which tense it is? as is given, and we all know that as or es is added to the verb in simple present tense. Okay, it means simple present tense. Which are the auxiliary verb you use to make negative in simple present tense? They are do or does. Okay, it means you have to use do or does. As here as is used, so we will use does. Okay, then second thing, after choosing the auxiliary verb for such sentences, what you will do? What is the second step? You will see whether the sentence is given positive or negative. If negative is given, you will find the verb, auxiliary verb directly. But the sentence is given positive, it means you have to make it negative. We chose does. Does हमने choose किया ना? Okay, and what is the negative of does? Not, doesn't. Short form of does not is doesn't. Okay, doesn't she? Put the question mark. So here, which things you will keep in mind? After statement put comma, then small letter में आएगा D small. Doesn't she? Then put question mark at the end. Clear? Next one. You haven't seen this movie. Here it's easy. Haven't. Haven't is given. It means negative is given and you are getting auxiliary here. So what we will write in question tag? We will write the positive of haven't, and that is have. Have you? And second thing, you will use here pronoun only. सब में pronoun ही use करने हैं. See here. Jenny is given. Jenny is given. Then also we have written here she. So we have to use pronouns with the auxiliary verb. Clear? You haven't seen this movie, comma, have you? The next sentence is they visited the zoo. Which tense it is? Here auxiliary verb is not given. Then how to do? As I explained in previous sentence, you have to identify the verb first. Then from the verb you will decide which tense it is. Which tense it is? Second form of verb is given. It means it is simple past tense. Okay, it is simple past tense. And in simple past tense, the negative form, if we want the sentence negative, we will use did. Okay, did. And what is the negative of did? Did not. And short form of did not is didn't. Clear? D-I-D and apostrophe T. Didn't. So the answer is they visited the zoo. Didn't they? Didn't they? Question mark. Next one. She will do the work. She will do the work. Future tense. We can use will for negative. And what is the short form of will not? The short form of will not is want. W-O-N apostrophe T. Want. That is not willn't. You cannot write willn't. It is want. W-O-N apostrophe T. Clear? So she will do the work, comma, want she. Now tell me what is the negative of shall not. Short form of shall not. What is the short form of shall not? The negative of shall not is shan't. S-H-A-N apostrophe T. Shan't. Clear? Now some exceptions are there. Exceptions means they are not going. as per the rule. I told you we will write the negative of the given auxiliary if it is given positive. But what will happen to the sentence I am late? What will be the question tag for that? Can we write amend I? Can we write amend I? No, we cannot write. It's wrong. Then what to write? We will write aren't I. This is the exception. Okay, aren't I? Or one more form is there. You can write ain't I. Clear? You can write ain't I. So aren't I or ain't I, both are correct, but amn't I is wrong. So don't write amn't I. Clear? Then whenever you find the sentences of let, what will be the question tag? Here it is not given any auxiliary verb. What to do? So let sentences, you will use shall. Let's go. Shall we? Here that rule will not be work. Okay, कि पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव करना है, नेगेटिव तो पॉजिटिव करना है. इन लेट सेंटेंसेस इट विल नॉट वर्क. डायरेक्टली यू विल राइट शेल बी. लेट्स वाले सेंटेंस में आप क्या लिखोगे? शेल बी. दिस इज द यूनिफॉर्म आंसर ऑफ लेट्स सेंटेंसेस. क्लियर? Then some more examples. Tom was watching TV. Was is given. Tom is given. But we will not write Tom here. We will write wasn't he. Was is given. Negative we will write wasn't he. Then you shouldn't be so busy. Negative is given. We will write positive. So should you. Now next one is statements using barely, hardly, neither, nobody, none, nothing, seldom are treated as negative sentences. Their negative word not is not given, but if the words like this are given, then you can write positive question tag. Remember these words: barely, hardly, neither, no, nobody, none, nothing, seldom. They are negative words. If they are in sentence, it means the sentence is negative. See the sentence: nobody went to the meeting. Nobody, nothing. These are negative words. It means we will make the question tag positive. Nobody went to the meeting. Second form of verb means past tense, and in past tense we use did, and it is already negative, so we will write did they. Okay, did they. Nothing is ready. कुछ भी तैयार नहीं है. Is it? Is दिया है ना. Is it? So ऐसा मत देखना कि not नहीं है इसलिए ये not ही बनाएंगे question tag. If such words are given, nobody, nothing, you will use positive question tag. Now let's quickly revise the short form of different verbs. What is the short form? Is not. Short form of is not is isn't. Are not, aren't. Am not, ain't, or aren't. We will not write amn't. Clear? For present tense. Then past tense: did, didn't, do, don't, does, doesn't. Clear? Do, does, did. Then future tense: will not. What is the short form of will not? Want. What is the short form of shall not? Shan't. SHAN''T. Clear? Had, hadn't. Has, hasn't. Have, haven't. Clear? In this way you will frame your question tag. Be careful in answer while writing the answer, and keep this also in your mind that barely, hardly, neither, no, nobody, none, nothing, these are also negative words. Okay, now let's start the question tags exercises. As I told you, this chapter is not given in your grammar textbook, so that I included one exercise. Here you have to add some appropriate question tags in these sentences. Before starting the exercises, I am explaining the rules to write it in notebook and in exam. In notebook you will write as I have given, but in exam how will you write? For example, the first sentence, let's go to a restaurant. Here I explained you let sentences always the question tag is shall we. Okay, shall we. So don't write only shall we in exam. You have to write the whole sentence, put comma, then write the answer, then put the question mark. Then and then only you will get the full mark. Otherwise I will cut the mark, or if more than 2 mistakes are there, then I will not give a mark to you, not a point of mark. Okay, so be very careful in writing the answers of question tags in exam. Let's go to a restaurant. Let's is given, we will write shall be, where we will write as small, and then shall we put question mark. Second, it is an expensive place is given, so what you will write? No negative words are given, it means it is positive sentence. We will write negative question tag, isn't it? You are the new secretary. Are is given, no negative words, it means we will make it negative, aren't you? Clear? Fourth one, I can't wait for the classes to begin. Can't, negative is given, sorry, he is given. He can't wait for the classes to begin. Negative is given, so we will make positive question tag, can he. Be careful in writing small capital letters of question tag. All the letters will be small only. Nothing can happen. Which type of sentence it is? Is it positive or negative? It is negative because nothing is given. So the question tag will be positive. What is the positive? We will write can is given, we will use that one only, and for nothing we will use it, can it. Okay, then sixth number, next sentence is open a window. Now how to write? Here we cannot find out the auxiliary verb, we cannot find out the verb. This is imperative sentence, open a window. We are giving command or order, so we will write will you, because in imperative sentence listener is always you. Okay, open a window, will you. Or you can also write can't you, or you can also write won't you. So you are free to write the answer as you want. See why 3 answers are possible here, because question tags are meant for only speaking purposes, not for writing purposes. Writing में जल्दी से question tags नहीं आते हैं, but we are learning English as the, it is not our national language, it is an international language, so we have to write it. Okay, that's why 3 answers are possible here. 7th, nobody phoned. Negative is given and phoned. Past tense is given. What we will do? We will use did. Did they? What is the answer? Did they? 8th number, your mother is at home. Is given. So what we will write? Isn't she? Your mother के लिए क्या आएगा? She. And is का negative क्या आएगा? Isn't. Isn't she? Shut up. Will you? Shut up. Will you? चुप रहो. Will you? There is little we can do about it. Little is also considered as negative. So what we will write? Is there? Is there? Then 11 number, she offered to help the traveler. Offered is given. Positive sentence is given. So we will write didn't she. Second form is given, so it is past tense. Didn't she? 12 number, John will be here tomorrow. Will be. What is the negative of will be? Want. He. Want he. 13 number, he shook hands with her. Second form is given, so we will write didn't he. 14 number, you are much better off where you are. Positive is given. What will be the negative? Aren't you? Sing a song and forget your troubles. Will you? सी ऑर्डर्स जहाँ पर होते हैं ना, वहाँ पर विल यू लिख देना है. ओके. वी कांट परमिट दिस. कैन वी. नेगेटिव इज गिवन, सो वी विल राइट कैन वी. आंसर्स आर ऑल्सो गिवन. लेट्स चेक whether we have written the answers correctly. Let's go. Let sentence is shall be. It is. Isn't it? You are. Aren't you? Then 4 number, can't. Can he? Nothing. Can it? Nothing can happen. Can it? Open a window. Will you? Nobody phone. Did they? किसी ने भी फ़ोन नहीं किया. Did they? Your mother is at home. Is. Isn't she? Shut up. For shut up, so many answers are there. 3 answers are there. Can't you? Want you? Will you? Depends on the situation at the time of speaking, but in writing we can write any of the answer, it will be correct. Clear? There is little we can do about it. Little is negative, so we will write is there. Then 11 number, second form is given, positive is given, so we have written didn't she. John will be here tomorrow. Want he. Negative of will not is want he. John, for John we will use he. He shook his hands with her. Shook. Second form we will write didn't he. Are. Aren't you? Then sing a song and forget your troubles. Want you या will you. Okay, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो आप. Clear? And 60 number, I gave the answer. Can be 16. Clear? So in this way you will write the answers for question tag. If any query is there, you can ask in online lecture. That's all for this chapter. This chapter is over here. It is a short chapter and easy as well. So you will write the question tag exercises in homework. What is the homework? Today's homework is question tag exercises in notebook. It is not given in textbook. You will write the whole exercises in notebook. Clear? So that's all for today. We will meet in next lecture with new topic. Till then, bye. Have a good day.